Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a business email with GoDaddy. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, click on your name at the top right corner and head over to the products section. From here, select the site or domain that you want to work with. Once you're inside the site dashboard, go to the portfolio section. Then, go to products area. Next, scroll down and look for the email option and click on it. To set this up, you'll need to have a premium account, so go ahead and choose the plan with email essentials, then complete your purchase. After you've purchased it, you can now activate the product. Select the domain you are working with, scroll down, and click continue. Now it's time to create your business email. In the username field, type in the address you'd like to use, for example, info@yourdomain.com. Fill in the other required details and make sure to enable administrator permissions so you'll have full control over the account. Next, scroll down and create a secure password for your new email. You'll also be asked for an alternate email address where GoDaddy can send your account information. Type that in as well. Once everything is set, go click the Create button. And that's it. You've successfully created your business email with GoDaddy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.